Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic center of mass. So let's discuss what is center of mass. Today center of mass for two particles of mass m1 and m2. So very simple thing. Suppose this is body 1, this is first body, this is second body, body A and body B. So center of mass we can say it is the point where the mass of the whole system is supposed to be concentrated. The mass of the whole system is supposed to be concentrated. So these two masses are there and the line joining them is like this. So we can assume there is a point which exists at the midway of the line. So at this point we can assume the whole mass of the system is supposed to be concentrated. The whole mass of the system is supposed to be concentrated, and this is known as center of mass. I'm not writing the definition, I'm just telling you the whole mass of the system is supposed to be concentrated. This is the definition only. Okay, center of mass. Now its expression. Directly we are coming to the expression. So it is written as RCM. RCM, center of mass, is equal to M1R1 plus M2R2 divided by M1 plus M2. M1R1 plus M2R2 divided by M1 plus M2. Now we have to make its diagram in 3-dimension coordinate system. So see, this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is body A, point A or body A, this is body B. It has the position vector r1 like this. It has position vector r2 like this vector, so we need to put the arrow, and there's a line joining like this. So there's a point exists which denotes the center of mass. It has the position vector, we can write RCM. Now this is the arrow in this direction, and this is the arrow in this direction, and this is the arrow in this direction. So using triangle law of vector addition, we can go for vector A, vector B and vector C. So direction is like this. Now we can put the arrow in this way. Now what will be the situation if both the masses are equal, having magnitude m? So RCM becomes R1 plus R2. Vector R1, vector R2, we can take m as common, and m plus m here it will be 2m, cancel. So what we are getting, RCM is equals to R1 plus R2 divided by 2. It means the center of mass for equal masses of two body for a system will be exactly at the midpoint of the line joining the two system. सेंटर ऑफ मास उन दोनों के एग्जैक्टली सेंटर पॉइंट पर या मिड पॉइंट पर एग्जिस्ट करेगा जिस लाइन पर दोनों पॉइंट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, इसको हम x और y के फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. along x direction, y direction, we can write like this: m1 x1 plus m2 x2. Here we need to put unit vector I. Unit vector here is also I, and here it is m1 plus m2. Okay, now here it is m1 y1, unit vector we can use j, m2 y2, unit vector j, m1 plus m2. j if you will not write then it will also be okay. हाँ, जब हम इसे कंबाइन करके लिखेंगे तो हमें वहाँ पे यूनिट वेक्टर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. एज यू नो दैट वेरी वेल कि अगर हम r लिखते हैं तो xi प्लस yj हमें लिखना होता है. ठीक है, तो r1 के लिए मैं लिखूँगा x1 y1 और r2 के लिए मैं लिखूँगा x2 y2, and I and j are showing the respective coordinates or unit vectors in the direction x and in the direction y. तो अगर हम यहाँ I1 और I here it is also I, here it is also I, here it is j, here it is j, तो बताना चाह रहे हैं कि किस डायरेक्शन में हम जा रहे हैं. अगर हम यहाँ नहीं लिखते हैं तो भी कोई इशू नहीं होगा, ठीक है। अब इस पर हम एक न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं। द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन लाइक दिस, 4 particles each of mass 1 kg are placed on 4 corners of a square of side 1 meter. Once again, 4 particles each of mass 1 kg are placed on 4 coordinates of a square of side 1 meter. Find the coordinates of center of mass of this system. हमें क्या find करना है? Coordinate find करना है center of mass of the system. So first let's draw the diagram. Square shape, we are in need of square shape. So this is square shape. Now here it is x direction and here it is y direction, okay, origin. Now here the particle of mass 1 kg, here also the particle of mass like A, B, C and D, 4 particles each of mass 1 kg, okay, they are placed here. Means we can write m1 equal to m2 equal to m3 equal to m4 equal to 1 kg. They all are having mass of 1 kg. Now we need to find the center of mass of the system. अब हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे x डायरेक्शन है एंड y डायरेक्शन है, तो x डायरेक्शन एंड y डायरेक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग हमें इस तरह के कोऑर्डिनेट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, x1 x2 y1 एंड y2. So first we are going to find the x1, y1, x2, y2 coordinates. So let's see the types of how to find the coordinate. One more thing is given, the square of side 1 meter. Square की जो side है वो 1 मीटर, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो distance है वो 1 मीटर है. It means कि जो B है वो x एक्सिस पर है, ठीक है. तो इसका जो कोऑर्डिनेट होगा, वी यूज टू राइट कोऑर्डिनेट्स लाइक x, y. हम x, y लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट x को बताएगा, सेकंड y को बताएगा. तो जो पॉइंट A है वो 0 0 पर एग्जिस्ट करता है, x का x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट दोनों 0. सो वी कैन राइट x1 इज इक्वल टू 0, y1 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 0. हियर x2 y2 वी नीड टू राइट. तो x2 y2 में हम देखते हैं कि ये साइड 1 मीटर की है, तो x की वैल्यू तो 1 है, लेकिन y वाला कोऑर्डिनेट इस पर 0 होगा, जैसा हम मैथमेटिक्स में देखते हैं. तो x2 1 है, y2 0 है. यहाँ आ जाते हैं तो वी कैन सी दिस इज ऑल्सो 1 मीटर एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 1 मीटर. दे बोथ आर मीटिंग हियर 1, 1. सो x3 is 1, y3 is also 1 and x4 and y4. So here it will be 0 and 1. x कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू 0 होगी, y कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू 1 होगी. तो here it is 0 and 1. सेंटर ऑफ मास फाइंड करना है, तो पहले x वाला कोऑर्डिनेट हम ले लेते हैं, m1 x1. 4 कोऑर्डिनेट्स है m2 x2, m3 x3 प्लस m4 x4 डिवाइडेड बाय m1 प्लस m2 प्लस m3 प्लस m4, m1 प्लस m2 प्लस m3 प्लस m4. Now let's see, put the value. Each of mass 1 kg, so I will write 1 into first coordinate 0, then 1 into 1, then 1 into again 1, then plus 1 into 0. At the bottom m1 plus m2 plus m3 m4, 1 1 1 1, it will become 4. 0 into 1, here it is also 0 into 1, so these two terms become 0. 1 into 1, 1 into 1. 1 plus 1, bottom 4, 2 by 4, it means we are getting 1 by 2, it means 0.5. Here it means x coordinate is 0.5. Similarly we will go for y, so I will use m1 y1 m2 y2 m3 y3 m4 y4. सो हम डायरेक्टली पता कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे भी आंसर जो आएगा, इन द सेम वे आई विल यूज़ m1 y1 मीन्स 0, m2 y2, m3 y3 प्लस m4 y4, बॉटम 4 हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स 2 by 4, इट मीन्स 1 by 2, इट मीन्स 0.5. So what we are getting, x, y means center of mass for this is 0.5 comma 0.5. Okay. So this is the answer of the question and here it is a solution. Coordinates is x and y. तो हम देखते हैं कि ये 1 है, इसका 0.5 यहाँ आएगा, ये भी यहाँ से यहाँ तक साइड की वैल्यू 1 है, इसका 0.5 यहाँ कहीं आएगा, तो यहाँ पे हमारा सेंटर ऑफ मास एग्जिस्ट करेगा जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट 0.5 कॉमा 0.5 होंगे. It is completed.